The effective way to naturally whiten your teeth using my home remedies. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was so excited about this video because it's super helpful for everyone. And believe me, you'll love it and find it so beneficial. I promise you this video will definitely help you boost your confidence and you can share your beautiful smile all the time. I mean, why won't someone smile all the time if they have a perfectly white and healthy set of teeth? In today's video, I'll share my experience and some simple and safe home remedies to remove all the staining, plaque, and dirty yellow appearance from your teeth. Let's begin. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to get notified when I upload a new video. I am a caffeine lover. I mean, my brain doesn't awake in the morning unless and until I have a huge mug of coffee. And that's not the only time I drink coffee. I take a lot of coffee to function. I know too much caffeine isn't good for my health, but I'm trying to cut it down gradually. Anyways, I started noticing brown stains developing on my upper front teeth. My lower front teeth were stained too, but the top one was prominent and noticeable. I regularly brushed my teeth first thing in the morning and before going to bed, but those stains made a comfortable place on my teeth. It really made me conscious about talking and interacting with people at my workplace, family gatherings, and even video calls. So I went to the dentist. He examined my teeth and told me that stains weren't the only problem. The backside of the teeth had severe plaque and stains too. I asked him to recommend a nice toothpaste and a mouthwash to solve the problem, but these things weren't the solution. The solution to my problem was scaling. At first, I wanted to go for it because I was desperate to get my neat and clean teeth back, but I didn't. I asked for another appointment. When I went back home, I googled all the stuff about scaling. It was great to get rid of all the plaque and stains, and brushing couldn't do that. See, what brushing does is that it cleans the plaque, which is formed when our food particles mix with the saliva. But our brush cannot access all the places, so this plaque hardens or calcifies and turns into tartar and looks really unhealthy. Plus, having tartar creates the problem of bad breath. So according to my research, scaling would free me from all these problems. However, scaling had a few drawbacks too. The first one was carry needles that would go inside my mouth and touch my teeth and gums. I was afraid of it. I wanted something less scary and equally effective. Another thing that stopped me from opting for scaling was that scaling makes teeth sensitive to hot and cold. Now, it doesn't happen with everyone, but I wasn't ready to take the risk. And thirdly, I read that scaling also affects your gums, and I already have sensitive gums. If I brush a little hard, they start bleeding. So for me, scaling was off the table. If you are comfortable, you can go for it. But I turned to find some effective natural remedies for removing dental stains. So here's what I did. Number 1. Baking soda and salt. I had decided to create proper teeth care routine. Just like I have a hair care and a skin care routine. I was already brushing my teeth twice a day, but I added 2 more ingredients during brushing. The first one is baking soda and the second thing is salt. Both the things are easily available in the market and are inexpensive. The science behind baking soda is that an alkaline solution is formed when it is mixed with water. The solution releases free radicals, which break down the plaque and stains. And I added salt because it is abrasive. The tiny grains do a wonderful job of removing all the sticky substances. I got an extra salt shaker and added equal baking soda and salt parts. And after brushing my teeth with regular toothpaste, I would use this baking soda and salt mixture to brush my teeth gently in a circular position. I did this 3 times a week as regular use of baking soda with rigorous brushing can damage the enamel, and I could see a visible difference in my teeth. The stains didn't go away overnight, but after 8 to 10 days, they have lightened. I also added 1 more home remedy because I wanted to get rid of the stains really quickly. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Yes, I know you're thinking about obnoxious smell and stingy taste of apple cider vinegar, but guess what? It is super helpful to dissolve tartar and give you clean teeth. Don't worry, you don't have to drink it or brush your teeth with it. All you have to do is take a few drops of vinegar on your finger and rub them on your teeth before brushing at bedtime. Once you've rubbed it, brush your teeth as you can too. The acidic vinegar is helpful to weaken the tough tartar and stains. And when you brush your teeth after that, it becomes easier to remove those stains. Now, I wasn't comfortable directly applying vinegar to my teeth, so I diluted it before applying. I used 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 cup of water, and then used my finger to rub the solution on my teeth. I did this once a week, along with my baking soda and salting. Number 3. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient Indian practice for swishing oil in your mouth to kill all the bacteria inside the mouth and promote good oral health. Now, swishing oil for 15 to 20 minutes in your mouth might seem absurd, but it removes bacteria and is good for treating sore or sensitive gums. Plus, oil pulling is extremely effective for tooth decay. If you see that your teeth have started developing a cavity, you can try this effective technique to save your teeth. High sugar intake or poor oral hygiene can cause a buildup of plaque. When the plaque is not properly cleaned, the bacteria break down the food particles. Now, this process is acidic and it harms the tooth enamel, which results in a cavity. Oil pulling can be done with many oils such as coconut, olive, castor, sunflower, or sesame oil. However, I used coconut oil and castor oil. The process is really simple. You just have to take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and pull and push it between your teeth for a good 15 minutes. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid that is effective in removing bacteria and cleaning the enamel. You can also use castor oil in place of coconut oil. When I started using castor oil in place of coconut oil after a week, I observed that my stains were fading faster and my teeth looked whiter than before. There was no yellowish or untidy appearance. In fact, my friend also used 2 of these remedies and she could see a visible difference in 10 days. She continued using these remedies for a month and I kid you not, she saw a massive difference. Her stones are nowhere to be seen, plus she also told me that sometimes her mouth was dry. It created a bad odor. She had to use mouth fresheners to avoid this problem, but after applying the oil pulling technique, she told me that the bad breath problem was also gone. So these 3 ingredients were tried and tested by my friend and me, and they worked for us. Apart from these remedies, I also made some tiny changes that helped me remove stain and get my clean and healthy teeth back. This include using a metal straw to drink my coffee and other beverages so that the beverage didn't touch my front teeth and went directly inside my mouth. I also started rinsing my mouth more frequently. Although it is recommended to gently brush your teeth after eating anything, but this is only possible when I was at home. I cannot carry my toothpaste and brush to work or on a restaurant, so I would simply rinse my mouth with clean water after eating anything. So that's it for today's video. Which remedy are you planning to apply right now? Tell me in the comment section. Plus, what are your thoughts about the oil pulling technique? Did you already know of it, or did you learn about it from today's video? A little effort to protect your teeth will go a long way. It will give you the confidence to flash your smile and talk to people without any hesitation. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'll see you next time with another helpful video. Goodbye and take care.